first page for what search? That's the question you need to ask yourself. If you Google your own business name and you show up, that is great, but that doesn't win you a new customer. They have to already know you exist to search your name. The searches that matter for your business are, for example, window replacement in your city, window company near me, best window contractor in your neighborhood. Those are the searches from people who don't know you and are ready to buy. So pull up a incognito window right now and search for those. See where you rank. If you're not in the top 3 on your map pack or the top of organic results, you're invisible to the customers who are actively trying to find you.